Hello guys. Welcome back to another session. And in this lesson, we are going to talk about the Lasso tools and how it works. Okay, now let's get right into it. Okay, with the Lasso tool, it also works similarly to the rectangular marquee tools. I mean, all the marquee tools. Okay, good. But with this particular tool, the Lasso tool, is also in a group, and also these particular tools are also used in making selections in Photoshop. Okay. Now, in this group, this particular Lasso tool, the first one here is what we are going to talk about. And what this particular tool does is that it helps or aids in making selections in a free form manner. Okay. Now, let me show you that in action. Now, if you want to use this tool, you can just click on it first of all, like we did, and then just click any aspect of the image that you want to select, and then keep holding, don't leave the mouse, and then you drag across. Make sure you make the selection freely. In fact, if this were to be a stylus, it would have done this better. My hand is not even doing a better job because I'm using the mouse. So but I'm doing my best. So you can just do a freeform selection around your image where you want to make the selection at. Let's say you want to make this selection. Okay, you can do a freeform selection. Okay, and then make that selection. But majority of the time, this is not how it is really used. Though I'm coming because, so you can make this selection, and then let's say you are done. Well, you are done. You just if you get to the end point, just leave it. Okay, it will automatically notice where the end point is, and then just end the selection for you. Okay, and then always remember you can always move your selection around. Okay, just like this, you can do that. You can move your selection around, just as the previous selection tool that we handled, like the rectangular marquee tools. Now this selection tool also has those options as well. Look at the top here. It has this add selection, subtract from selection, and also intersect. Okay, so you can use this tool also in the same fashion as we use the rectangular marquee tools in the previous lesson. Now let's see one in action, how this one happens. Okay, now we want to add to this selection. This one is not perfect enough. We want to add to this, so you can just click any aspect that you want, drag it, and then just add to it. Automatically see I've added to it. Let's say we want to subtract this aspect from it. Okay, so yeah, you can just go back and then click here, and then click and then drag around. And then when we get to this point, we just leave it. Automatically it has subtracted that aspect from it. Well, we want an intersection. We want only the part that is intersected that should be selected. You can just click here again. This should just be a recap for those of you who didn't grab the first one, how this intersection stuff work. Okay, now so if you click here, you can click here and then drag it inside. So where the intersection, you can see that the intersection where these two selections have intersected, only in that middle portion is going to be selected here. Now let me leave the mouse for you to see what's going to happen. Good. You can see only this portion is selected. I think this particular tutorial should have also explained further those of you who couldn't get how the selection happened in this portion. Okay, now that is enough for this Lasso tool for this session, guys. Next up, we are going to look at the polygonal Lasso tool and how it is applied in Photoshop. Until then, see you in the next session. Bye for now.